Hi guys, Anna from Lexin here to go over the WPC wireless charger by Lexinmoto. This accessory was designed and adapted for the RAM mount X grip as a plug-and-play solution for riders that have phones with wireless charging capabilities. Let's go ahead and take a look at what comes inside the box. Once out of the box, this is everything that's included. We have the main coil with 3M adhesive tape on the back. We have the main module unit, which has an additional USB port for charging other devices. We have the SAE connector, which most motorcycles have this, but if yours doesn't, we've included one for you. If you'd like to use the charger in your car, we've included a 12-volt cigarette lighter port. And these are the mounting options for the main control unit. You have a double-sided 3M, a Velcro 3M, a Velcro strip, zip ties. Depending on your type of vehicle, you may find that one works better, or they all might work the best to have the unit installed. Now that we've gone over everything in the kit, let's go ahead and do a quick install. You'll find that the install of the WPC charger is very quick and very easy. There's no specific way to do it. For this install and this particular bike, we'll do it in a certain order, but you can do it in whatever way works best for you and your bike. To begin this install, we'll connect the main charging coil with the main module unit. We'll take the two arrows of the quick disconnect connector, slide them together, clamping down on the O-ring, take the barrel connector and tighten them together. This ensures a watertight seal. We recommend removing any stickers or decals already on the X grip. We'll then take the main charging coil and remove the backing to the 3M adhesive tape. You'll place the unit making sure the coil is down and the wires are running back towards the motorcycle. Center it and press down firmly. Next, we'll decide where to install the main control box. We use the 3M double-sided adhesive tape and we'll put the box next to the hand controls for this motorcycle. Then we'll use some of the included zip ties to clean up some of the wires. I've used the included zip ties and the motorcycle's wiring harness to run it along the bottom of the bike, making sure that I avoided any extremely hot parts or any moving parts. This motorcycle already had the SAE battery tender plug, so we'll just go ahead and plug in the WPC SAE connector, tuck any of the loose wires up out of the way. You want to make sure you have the correct size RAM mount X grip. There are two sizes that come with it, and you want to make sure that your phone's buttons are not contacting with the X grip. Some people will compensate by moving the phone up or down, which causes the wireless coil and the charging capabilities of your phone to not have good contact. So if you have any questions, definitely contact RAM to find out which grip is best for you. Now that everything's all installed, we're ready to charge. Thanks for checking out this install video. If you guys have any questions or need technical support, make sure you check out the links in the description below. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of the new wireless accessories we'll be coming out with soon. Until then, let's hear the difference.